Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi Franklin, and in this video today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a one-page website with your phone, all for free. You don't need to pay anything. All you just need to do is to follow through the course of the tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you how to create a one-page website for free. So if you do business online, you should know the need why you should have a one-page website, or why you should have a website all for yourself, because it gives your brand a professional touch and people will come to be able to know your business and come to know you more easily, or do business with you more easier and faster. So in this video I'll be able to teach you how to be able to create a one-page website all for free. So all you just need to do is to follow through the step-by-step process as I'm going to be showing you all you need to do. A one-page website can be a landing page where people can be able to come to know about your business, in which you can lead people to something bigger. It can be that you are running a Facebook ad, or you are doing something online and you want people to come to know about that brand or know about that particular product you are advertising. All you need to do is to have a one-page website in order for you to be able to explain in detail. You don't have to start explaining yourself over and over to individuals. All you just need to do is to share your link to these individuals, and then they go to your landing page and they will read in details what it entails or what they need to do in order for them to be able to buy that product or services from you. So before they go into the main page where they need to make payment or do anything, they need to read about your business. That is why you need a landing page and all of that. So a one-page website can be an about page where people will come to know about your business. It can be where people will come to know about you as an individual or yourself, where they can be able to know about your brand and your product. So this is all what a landing page and a one-page website can be. It can help you people to know about you, and more, they can also get to know more information about your page when they come to your landing page. Yes, so when people come to your landing page, in which it can contain more information about your page and everything that you do, your businesses. All you need to do is to share the link and all of that. So you don't have to start repeating yourself. As I said earlier, all of these things are contained in a one-page website and all of that. So your one-page website will also contain a product description page where they need to learn about the product and know what the product can do for them. Your one-page website too can also contain a sales page where they need to make payments and all of those stuff. So all you need to do is to make a detailed analysis and make sure that your one-page website contains all of these 5 things I just mentioned here. It must contain a landing page, an about page, more info page, product description page, and a sales page. When your website will have 5 of these things, it will make your product be more easier and people will be able to buy more faster. So before we move further into my phone, so where I'll be showing you all you need to do, please do me a favor by subscribing and clicking on the notification button so that YouTube will be able to notify you whenever I post money making videos like this. All I do on this channel is to share tips and tricks on how you can be able to make money online. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, and do me a favor by going to the comment section and comment whatever thing you know that is difficult for you to be able to create a one-page website. Please go to the comment section and comment, and do not forget to share it in all your social media platforms so that we will be able to reach out to many other people who are looking forward to see this kind of videos. Without more further ado, let's go into my phone.
Okay guys, welcome back to my screen, and right now what I have to do first of all is to go to my Chrome. I'll type in Mailchimp. Yes, I'll type in Mailchimp sign up, so that Mailchimp.com, and in order for me to sign up to Mailchimp, yeah, so all I have to do is to go in and sign up in all my credentials, all my information that is being required or needed in order for me to be able to sign up to Mailchimp.com. So right here you see that Mailchimp gives you the opportunity to be able to use it to grow your business, you to have a website for yourself and all of that. As you can see on the screen, we say that you can do all of these things for free, and once you sign up you'll be able to get Mailchimp CRM and Mailchimp as a creative assistant, website builder, Mailchimp domain forms and landing page. All of these things are what you will see or what you will get once you are able to get a Mailchimp. So all you all have to do right now is to sign up to Mailchimp in this particular description here, and then you get started. So once you have been able to sign in, all you just need to do is to go to your email account, verify it, put in all the information, your business name and all of those stuff, and you get started and you have Mailchimp in your use. Once you are done signing up and creating an account, the next thing you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store. Okay guys, the next thing you need to do once you reach your Google Play Store is to look for Mailchimp. Yeah, Mailchimp app. Okay, now all you just need to do is to download. Yeah, you just need to download. Just click on download. As you can see, it's already on my phone. All I just need to do right now is to go into my phone and then open it and start the other processes. So download, and then you can now be able to sign in and you get started with Mailchimp. Okay guys, let me take you to my Google, to my Mailchimp, and look for it. Okay, I will now open it. Now when you open your Mailchimp, it will bring you into the Mailchimp homepage where it will give you the option for you to sign in. My account is already signed in, that is why it's like this. So your own to give you the opportunity to sign in, and you can also as well sign up using this app. So instead of you going to Google to type in mailchimp.com, you can as well just go directly to your Play Store, download Mailchimp app, and then when you open your Mailchimp app, it will give you the option to sign up, and then after you sign up, you verify your email, and then it will allow you now to move in and start making use of the Mailchimp app. So I'm already signed in. Right now I want to create a landing page in which we can be able to see how you can be able to do that effectively. So I have to create a campaign. In order for me to do that, you look at this plus sign down below. I'll click on it. Once I click on it, I will see the different things I can be able to use Mailchimp for. I can import contact from device, I can scan contact image, I can import from a file, I can also add contact manually. So I can be able to use my Mailchimp in order to create an email list and all of that. So I can also create an email for classic builders, and I can create a landing page and also create an ad for Facebook and Instagram. Right now, all we want to do right now is to create a Mailchimp landing page. So we'll have to click on create a landing page right now. Let's create a landing page. Let's see how to do it effectively. So this is a landing page. All I have to do right now, they say, take a look. What I have to do first of all is to put a logo. So I will use this logo for instance. Yeah, I have to use this logo for this particular tutorial. So they say set a logo to look professional and make your brand pop. So you would need a logo in this particular area. So all you just need to do is to put a logo in this area, a logo of your business or your brand or whatever thing you do. You just do that. So once I've done that, I've uploaded it, the next thing I have to do is to click on next. In this particular area, that they give you the option for you to put in a statement to tell people about your business. What do you want them to do? What do you want them to know about this particular business? Remember, when you'll be able to share a link to them when they land in your page, what are they going to be reading? What are they going to be seeing? What information do you want them to see? All I have to do is to put in an information right here. So I'm going to look for a message, or I'll go to my notepad. Right now. Let me use this for this particular tutorial. So I'll use this for this particular tutorial and I'll make use of it. So right now I want to make a statement and I will make use of that. So you know what your business is all about. All you just need to do is to leave it, is to type in the information you want them to see or get. So after doing that, the next thing I'll do is to click on next. Now this is your call to action button. You have the option to beautify it or what you want your call to action button to look like. So in this particular video, I'm going to set my call to action button. You can put your call to action to be buy now, pay now, click on this link, and whatever you want it to be. For this tutorial, I'll use call pay now. And here you give you the opportunity to be able to put in a URL link where they can be able to access your store and then make payment to your product. So I'm going to use my seller account in this particular tutorial and make this possible. So, and once I do that, the next thing I have to do, I have the opportunity to design how I want my call to action button to look like. So I'll choose this particular one. Then I can decide to give it a color. I can use green or whatever color I want it to look like, and then make this particular design. So for this tutorial, let me use gray. Okay, white and gray. Okay, no, let me use blue. Okay, then I'll click on next. Once I click on next, they say add an image using a photo. So I have to add an image about my product and all of that. So I have to go into my gallery, choose a particular product for that particular. Remember, I used a ring brand, so I have to use a ring brand too, a ring. Okay, so I have to upload, and once I upload it, the next thing I have to do is to upload it to the file, and it will appear, and boom, and here it appears. It's not difficult, just for you to choose them successfully. Now the next thing you need to do right now is to put in your how people will be able to reach you, how you want your customer to reach you, which social media platform do you want them to reach you with. You can decide to on in your subscribe button where they will be able to sign in with the form. They will be able to put in their email account, their email address, and all of that. So you can on your pay. If you want them to make payment to you using the PayPal account, you can still make on it. If you want them to follow you on Instagram, you can still on it, and other accounts that you can make use of right here. You can also put in your website and all of that. Once you're done with this particular page and all of that, you click on next. And once you click on this next, this is where you'll be able to see a preview of what you're about to do. So this is how my landing page is right now. As you can see, the call to action button pay now, and this is how my information is and all of that. So once I'm able to do all of these things, and as you can hear, this is where the people who visit your website or your landing page can be able to submit their email account, their first name and their last, so that you can be able to track and follow them up and all of that. So once you've been able to preview and you are okay with it, all you just need to do is to submit, and then you start hosting. Yes, as you can see here, they say track with Mailchimp, and I'll on this cookie so that it can be able to help them to make use of it. And here they say page title. What do I want to title it? Let me use ring store. Let me use the ring store as the title of this particular landing page. Then once I'm done, at the bottom right here, I will see where they say you can now publish. This publishing, Mailchimp will give you the opportunity to be able to host it on their net, and it can be able to allow me to make use of this particular Mailchimp landing page successfully. So all I have to do right now is to make hold of it, and it's processing. As you can see, it's processing, and voila, we are done. To do right now is to go to my campaign, look at what I have on store. As you can see here, I have the ring app, the ring store. All I have to do right now is to see what it is, how it looks like. I can make a preview and see how it is. This is how when visitors visit, this is how they will see it and all of that. So I can go back right now and then copy in. You have the option here to copy your Mailchimp URL link, and then put it in your message and start running your ads and all of that. So with this particular landing page, it makes everything easier and faster for you to be able to publish your product and services, and people will be able to patronize you without you stressing yourself when they come to this your particular landing page, they will read all the information about the particular product that you are publishing and all of that. So this landing page has given you the opportunity to publish and then make use of it and do whatever thing you want to do. So this is it. You can also make track and know how many visitors that visit you, how many clicks and all of that, weekly and all of our daily analysis of what happens on your landing page. So all of these things are what you'll be able to see when you make use of this Mailchimp landing page, all for free. So if this video was helpful, please do well to click on the notification button and the subscribe button as well, so that YouTube will be able to notify you whenever I post money making videos like this. All I do on this channel is to drop tips and tricks on how you can be able to make money online. Please do not forget to share to people, so that people who are looking for this kind of information will be able to have access to this particular video and all of that. So more of these videos are coming up. I drop videos every week, and I'll make sure that I give you guys the best and hot videos like this. See you on my next video. Peace.